Hello guys, this is Hector Nivesty here and welcome back to another motor vlog. As you can see, my first motor vlog was not so great on the first time, but this time I do have a microphone. I don't know how good the quality is going to be until I go back home and test it out. But no, like I said, I'm trying my best to give good motor vlogs for you guys, and plus I got some new gloves, and plus I'm not used to it because I got fatty fingers now. Nice and black and red gloves. Love them. Yeah, like I said at the start, I'm gonna actually talk through. I'm gonna go back to Crow's Causeway again because I'm thirsty as hell. Gotta be there quick though because it's Sunday and plus the shops close very early, like 4 o'clock or something, and it's like 2 o'clock. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it and turn the bike on. But like I said, I don't know how the quality of the microphone is until I come back home and test it out, so I had to do that. Check. Okay, everything's clear and off we go. But also I need to get used to these gloves because these gloves are recently new, so I have to get used to them. Plus I can't really throttle as good as I normally do because of my other gloves, because these ones are fucking huge, like sausages. Yeah, it's good. But no, like I say, I'll be talking through oh god, it's a bit bumpy here. I shouldn't be talking if it's on a bumpy road. Yeah, like I said, what I'm normally going to do is I'm going to talk about what it's like to be a motorcyclist and oh fucking hell, it's gone red. Still going to indicate right, but also going to go to a complete stop. Right, so we got those like we're going back to the same route as last time. But now, like I say, I might be talking about what it's like to be a motorcyclist, and gotta give it some raw. But oh shit, my indicator's on. Forgot to cancel that, but like I just noticed it. But no, like I said, what it's like to be a motorcyclist. Technically, it's brilliant. It is absolutely brilliant, because it's a different experience than in a car, so to say. Because also you got air. You feel like you're not trapped in like a metal box or anything like that. It's really different experience. And plus, it's very, very cheap to run in the car. I don't know about that because also I never owned a car. But all I know is that it's very, very cheap to run. And we're clear. But no, I don't know about cars because I don't know if cars are very, very cheap to run or bikes are very, very cheap to run. But personally, to me, I think bikes are like really, really, really cheap to run because the tax on them is quite cheap, the insurance cheap, well, sort of, but not at my age anyway, because since I'm a young driver, they have to raise the tax a little bit and the insurance. And for some reason, if all the people get cheaper insurance, which I cannot understand why, but there you go, it's life, I guess. But no, I personally enjoy riding my bike, obviously, because it's nice to ride my bike to places than getting a bus, because it stops you paying so much money per day to get a bus to go somewhere, and plus you don't have to walk to those places anymore. But oh god, it's very windy up here, isn't it? I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can. My face is getting cold. might catch the coronavirus, oh no. Nah, I shouldn't be joking about the coronavirus because it's such a serious thing, but then again, to be honest, I don't really give a fuck about the coronavirus anymore. Sick and tired of hearing it on the news and that. It's like, I don't care. But no, it's a very, very shitty day because it's raining, of course. Well, it's been raining, but it's dry now. That's why I had the chance to go out and do some stuff. But no, just riding along. I'm driving along. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm jogging along. I'm singing a song. Let's see here. Indicate right with my fat sausage gloves. Come to a stop. Or just go forward. Oh shit, we've got a learner. And indicate left because I'm going on the left lane. And stop indicating. Oh fuck, I should have stopped. Oh well. I'm committed. He's gonna go fucking slow all the way, isn't he? Sod this. I don't care, it's 40 miles per hour. Overtaking the bloody bastard anyway. Alright, now it's 50. Whoa, fucking hell, 60, Jesus Christ. Also indicate right, because we're going right. Everything's clear. And off we go. Going nice and slow, and off we go. Obviously it's 50 along here, so it's not a problem. Oh, it feels nice going 60 miles per hour, but you can very... Oh shit. Oh god, like I was saying, it feels nice going 60 miles per hour, but there's no roads and there's no roads I can go on. I can go 60 miles per hour. Apart from national speed limits, because I can go 60. Light bulb. Oh, look at the learner, he's right behind me as well. Fully max the speed limit. Indicate to go right. Also, there's no cars. Yeah, all clear. And also go through here and indicate left because we're going left lane. And off we go. It's a bit quiet today, isn't it? Like the road. Yeah, it's a bit quiet. It's very quiet. Normally it's quite busy, but it looks like it's not. Huh. Okay. It's a bit weird, but you can't complain, isn't it? Quiet the roads, the better. And obviously come to a stop. Yeah. And off we go. Go, go, Power Ranger. Oi! You fucking idiot. Fucking hell. I bloody hate people like that. I think he deliberately saw me as well. I think I don't know. I had to look back on the footage. I don't know if he deliberately looked at me or what. Like, looked at me, then go. Alright. Go, 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 go. Oh, there's the learner. Hello. Oh shit, that was a drain cover. And stop. Now we're gonna have to wait now. And off we go. And speed bump. We're going to the car park this time. We're still going to the fuel, because I do not trust going to that petrol station. Plus, I don't need fuel. I got a full tank of petrol. Syndicate right. I'm going left. Oh no, not the right, left. Got my sight, got my left and right mixed up. That's okay. Yeah, clear. Oh my fucking god. That's probably why all the toilet rolls are going. Because that guy just bought the whole fucking lot of them from the store. Oh, for God's sake, go faster than this, mate. Oh, thank God. Look at that, toilet roll. Oh, people are stupid nowadays. What fucking toilet roll? How is toilet roll going to prevent the coronavirus? That's what I want to know. Stupid. You know what, I don't fancy stopping here. I'm gonna go to the bloody Filton. I'm going to Filton instead. That's not the same car, is it? Right, the one thing I've been taught by my dad is always be on the left. Well, not the left, on the right. Like, closest in the middle, because they can give you a good eye view, and plus you can see the mirror, and they can see you. And the whole reason why I came here, because I went here for jolly. Jolly means out and about, running around, you know, just enjoying myself. Technically, I mean, I will go to the shops, but just not this one. It's jam-packed. Well, probably bear in mind, if all the other shops are probably jam-packed. There you go. Oh my fucking god. So I got horrible position. This is a horrible position. There's a random trolley there. What the fuck? Right, let's go, 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 go. I'm going. See you later, fuckers. I'll have the bus lane, thank you. Because I have a right to. Oh, fuck you. Right. Let's go. Hopefully we won't have some bloody idiot going across other lanes on the right this time, because he was just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Oh fuck, it's raining. I just had a waft of it in my face. You fucking idiot. That's twice now. I'm pulling my visor down, fuck this. I'm gonna feel bad for the camera because it's not waterproof. But hopefully the camera's okay. Well, I'm hoping. And indicate left because you can only go left or right. And we're in the clear and we can go. Nah, I don't think it's gonna rain. I think it's only a spit. I think it's just a spit of rain, not like proper rain. Because I don't see people using their wipers on their cars. So, I think we were alright. I can go 50 now. Way! What the fuck? Always an Aldi. Always an Aldi. Right, and off we go. No indication whatsoever. What an absolute idiot. 40 miles per hour? I don't give a shit, I'll go 50. Even though I'm going 40. Oh well, who cares? It's my bike, I'll do what I want. And of course we're going to come to a flipping complete stop. Or not. Come on. Hurry up, I want to go left. What about some jelly babies? Oh, fuck you. I have to stop now. Still wait for that. Traffic light to go amber now, and then we can go. Please go amber now. Please go, thank you. And we can go. I had to do that. Oh shit. That was a bit uncomfortable, then I remember going over it. Right, traffic lights are red. Right, I need to remember I need to stop. Because the last time I went through these, I went through the red light by accident. And that's where we can go. Oh, look at the doggy! Doggy! There you go, the rain's gone. Ah, there we go. I can flip my visor up and feel the breathe air. Or the fresh air. What do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer dogs or cats? Put a comment down below, I'd like to hear that. To me personally, I would rather say dogs. Dogs are the best. Cats, they scratch your furniture, they ruin the furniture, or the sofa, or leather and stuff like that. Cats, I'd rather put one in the box and just let it float down the river. That's what I personally would. Put it in the box and let it float in the river. Because that's how much I care about the bloody things. I used to have cats, but they died. Well, one ran away and one died. Alright, stop. We're all good. Should have stopped a bit early, but oh well. Right, I need to remember. Well, I need to remember about this. It's double the braking distance if it's on wet surface. Double the braking distance, so it's not normal. But the thing is, I treat it as a normal day. So oh, he didn't knock back. That's a shame. Oh shit, I'm going about 30. Well, about 30. And indicate to go right, because that's where we're going. Well, it's clear. So we can go. Let's go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go. No, I'm joking. What the fuck is this car doing? Oh. That's what he was doing. He's trying to get out or whatever. I don't know. He was doing something. He was doing something. Run, Forrest, run! Even though there's a red light. And for the people out there who think, oh shit, just in case there's water on the camera, you're probably thinking, why didn't you go? Why didn't you go when it turned amber and went green? Well, one, because you got to let a pedestrian go, even though if the pedestrian is already on the road, already about to cross, you got to let that pedestrian go. And plus, I know that sort of person and like revs their fucking engine like this, like that, to tell them to fucking move on. Or not like that. Should have stopped a bit further away, but okay. And there's my doctors, so I go to the doctors, but I don't want to go to the doctors because I'm fucking afraid of them. Sorry, I got a cough. I got the coronavirus. Oh no. My old school, Baydox Wood. Well, the shittest school I actually been to. It's a primary school, but it's the shittest school I've been to. I see another biker ahead. This, more scooter boy. Let's say hello to him. Didn't even nod back. Arrogant bastard. For fuck's sake. Why can't this road be a 30 miles per hour speed zone? Why do I have to be stick to fucking 20? Jesus, humbling Christ. There you go, Liam. That's my friend, Liam. If you guys don't remember my videos, Liam. There you go, Liam. If you're interested in girls, there's the ones on the side. You can pick them instead. They're like more like your age. Do 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 do. What the fuck? I don't remember this being a 2-lane. What an idiot. That's 3 idiots there seen so far. Good boy. I know, I've been a silly boy. Well, I am a silly boy. To begin with. Don't you dare change lights, don't you dare change lights, I'm committed. I know I shouldn't. Oh, fine, okay. And you guys probably remember, why are we going back this way? Well, I thought, like I said in the video, well, like I said earlier on, we're going to different shops. Because the last time we went down here, I went down somewhere to study. I'm not going to say what name. I'm not going to say because I don't want people tracking me down. Or kill me or some sort. But basically, it's somewhere to study, okay? God, I got something in my throat. But no, we're going to the shops this time, but that means we're going to be taking a completely different route. Way complete. And also, we saw someone down here going like fucking like 40 miles per hour. Even though there's a 30 miles per hour speed limit. You know, I'm going on the right. Because my dad told me you avoid all the potholes apparently. Which I don't believe. Apparently this is advanced positioning. Oh yeah, he's right. That's like the first time I actually get to say this. He's right. But sadly, in the first video, I was talking, and also you guys can hear me, so I'm going to basically replay everything I said, and basically you guys can hear me this time. Right, first thing is, what got me into motorbikes? My dad, of course. Because he had a, I don't know what type of bike he was. It was like a yellow-green piece of shit. Well, it's not a piece of shit, but I meant the colour, because I can't remember. But it was a nice bike. I was like 8 8, 9 years old when you had that bike. No, I can't remember. It was like a long time ago. A very long time ago. Then he had another bike, but he sold it. But now he's got the blue Triumph, which is a 950, 960cc. I can't remember now. But it's a nice bike. And the other question is, well, what do you prefer, a car or a motorbike? Personally, what do you think? Motorbike. Was. Why are you going 30 miles per hour in a 40 miles per hour speed limit, mate? God damn it. That's another thing I hate about people as well. They go really, really, really slow just for going past a bloody speed camera. Even though it's a 4 miles per hour speed limit, I'm going. Bloody hell. I don't get these people. I honestly don't. Oh no. I've got an itch on my left foot. Oh no. I'm gonna have to try and hold it in. Fuck, it's really itchy. Good thing we're actually going somewhere to stop. And come to a stop. Very good. Huh. Okay, I will admit my fingers are getting a bit cold. They are getting very cold. Oh, it's nice and sunny out here, isn't it? The sun actually came out. Oh, the sunlight. That's what happens when you stay in one room and you come out and you're like, oh, the sunlight. Yeah, I got something in my throat. Don't worry, it's not the coronavirus. It's just I'm dying of thirst. I am thirsty for Lucozade. Because apparently I drink like milkshakes like no tomorrow. But Lucozade, for some reason, it lasts a bit longer, so I'm going to get some Lucozade instead. And I wouldn't be surprised if I see people walking around with fucking toilet roll. Like, what is the big deal with fucking toilet roll? Does it like prevent you from having the coronavirus or something? Or is it just something, another way to buy cheaper paper towels and clean your hands? Who fucking knows? You're indicating to go left, even though you're meant to go left. Oh, for fuck's sake. What the fuck was that kid doing? He looked demented. Well, he walked demented. That space, thank you. I'm backing up a little bit, and there we go. Lovely. Right, I'm gonna cut the video here, and because I don't, like I said, I don't think people will appreciate having a camera in their face. I think I said this in the other episode. Can't remember now. But I see you when I see you. So, B.O.B. And we are back. Just need to get my bloody gloves on again, which is a pain in the, these gloves, since I got these, have been such a pain in the ass. Like crazy. Yeah, they're getting right up my fucking backside. Which I'm getting a bit pissed off about. I'll do, I guess. There we go. Turn my ignition on. That was funny. That was a bit, I will admit, that was a bit funny. Oh god. Oh my god. It's so funny. You're such a funny Lola. But I have learned one thing from my dad. Apparently, if you want to properly wash your hands to prevent yourself having the coronavirus, just sing happy birthday 2 times, and that technically that is the 4th time of you washing your hands. And he sang a good happy birthday song. He went, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to fuck knows, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to coronavirus, happy birthday to me. Oh, if you guys met my dad in real life, he is a real cracker. Oh, like literally, I don't understand why he hasn't got a job as a comedian. Like honestly. Because I believe he should be a comedianist if he can make sort of jokes like that and just makes us laugh. Well, he made me laugh the most. That's a nice bike. Not as good as mine though. Might as well sit here with one hand. Got my hand on the brakes. No harm done. And also that time when I told you I got an itchy left leg. Who the fuck puts a fucking carrier bag on the bloody bike? On the seat, yes, I guess it's prevent you from having your seat getting wet, but really a carrier bag? But no, do you remember when before we pulled up I got an itchy left leg? I didn't itch it, it just disappeared. See, even these guys are bloody doing as they told. 40 miles per hour, going over the camera, no problem. Absolutely no problem whatsoever. Oh, that's a nice flowers. Dandelions. I called the flowers dandelions, a nice flower. Fucking cyclist. And indicate left because we're going left. Please don't lights change. And it didn't change. Good for me. Of course I can go straight along because there's no cars. But now I can see a huge lane of cars, so I'm going to use the bus lane. Because why not? What are we going to lose? Oh shit. I forgot there's a speed camera right on the left and I was going a bit above 30. But I'm pretty sure that's not enough to give you a ticket. If it does, it does. It doesn't, it doesn't. I'm pretty sure my dad can pay for the ticket. He's got money. He gets money poured out of his ass anyway. Stopped a bit too late, mate. That's a dumb biker. Shouldn't knock my head, but I didn't. 20 miles per hour speed limit. I don't want to go 20 miles per hour though. That's the problem. Sod this, I'm going 30. I am not going 20 miles per hour throughout the whole thing. Fuck that. Also indicate left because we're going left, because we're going that way now. Let's let this car go. He's going a bit faster than 30 miles per hour, Jesus Christ. It's fucking 40, look how fast he's going. What the f... You know what? Just whatever. Whatever. I'm just gonna ignore it. Right guys, I think it's a good time to end this episode here. So guys, I hope you sincerely enjoyed this video. I want you guys to smash the like button and smash the subscribe button and comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Like I said, I'm trying to do everything I can to make videos happy for you guys so you guys can enjoy. But like I said, I'm trying to do my best. And also for the new people, make sure you click that subscribe button. And guys, like I always say, this is Heg the Noobster, signing out. Peace. Hang on a minute. Peace. There we go.